Hey, this is George with Dallas Bath and Glass, and I'm with Miss Kelly. Go Broncos, they had a good weekend.
They did?
Yep. And we are putting in a 90-degree shower glass enclosure. I was asked to come over, and Miss Kelly has decided to do this project herself. So I'm going to turn this around and point out some stuff here real quick. And down here at the bottom, we're going to hinge a door on this side here. Get it, there we go. And she has hardy backer behind this spread rock granite stone coating. I'm going to pick this up. And this is what's on the walls. Now, I've only seen this about one time. So this is quite a project, and I'm kind of proud of Miss Kelly. So that's why I wanted to bring this into picture. And so one of the challenges that we had is the transition between the actual shower pan that's down here. It was a little shorter than I liked it. So I suggested to come in and put these caps that's about 6 inches wide. And in doing so, this was left a little short on the wall. So what Miss Kelly's going to do, she's trying to decide whether to bring it all the way to the door casing or to the edge of the actual shower cap. I asked her to put a little bit of a ledge here, a little bit of water down, and then she's going to silicone that nice and tight. And she's floated all this herself. And one of the things when she added this piece, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but the feathering in of this it's not quite flush. So Miss Kelly, what she's going to do, she's going to come back and she's going to try to feather this in a little bit tighter and bring this out. This was just in conversation of trying to work through the processes. I've never done it. I've seen it happen after remodeling thousands of showers, installing shower glass, thousands. I've seen about everything, and this one kind of puzzled me. And so I've kind of stepped in and tried to make some suggestions, and Miss Kelly has welcomed the suggestion. So together we're going to make this a great shower. We're going to do about a 28-inch door here, and then we're going to do a panel, and we're going to try to center this. This is 6 inches, so we're going to try to go 3 inches from here to here and do the same thing on this side. So I have one big panel here, one small panel here to 28 inches, and we're going to take the height to about 80 inches tall right now. That's what our plan is, which is about right here. And shower will be coming out over there, and it will be a rain head, right? Mm-hmm. Rain head. So with that being said, she's going to take a couple of more week or so, and she's going to try to feather this in a little bit more, and then we will come back one more time, measure, and we'll do a follow-up video. And yeah. Hey, great. Look forward to it. See you in the next video. GeorgeDallasBathandGlass.com. Give us a call. Bye.